Hey everybody, Tanisha Coffee here, aka the Lofty Entrepreneur, and this is the Build With Me series. We are working on building out our WordPress website. We're using the Avada theme and specifically the Avada Classic Demo. That's one of the 67 options for demos on that theme. All right, so if you've been keeping up, we are working through building out our various pages. We've done the home page, the About Us page, the services page, and now we're going to go ahead and edit the Contact Us page. And it's pretty simple to do because it's a contact page, so there's not a ton of information on here. And we have simplified our page compared to the demo, so we really only have two main sections to complete. So I want to go over to what the demo site looks like. Currently, our page is missing this header section, which is actually a slider. So we're going to add that. Hopefully you've watched the previous videos from the About Us and the services page, and you now know how to create your sliders because we're not going over that in this video. So if you haven't, if you're still not sure, go back and watch those videos. And then we just have this section right here to include. So we really don't have a lot to do. For our purposes, we've removed these pictures, and down here where the map would be, if you've chosen to keep them, you will need to kind of work through that on your own, but these are just pictures and text here. And then to do the Google Maps section, you would go into the options section of the Avada theme options. And there's a section where you can work on your Google Maps and connect that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get back to our page on my demo site, and let's get to adding. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and put that slider back on this page. And to do that, I'm going to go down to sliders. Again, I've already created the slider, so we're going to just select Avada slider, and I'm going to add the Contact Us. That's all there is to it. I want to get rid of the title bar, so I'm going to hit hide that, and I'm going to hit update. So now that is updated. As you can see, we have our slider. Great. Working as planned. Send us an email. That's a fine headline, so I'm not going to worry about that. If you want to add some additional instructions, you could do that there. And then down here, this code block is actually a Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7 is the primary contact plugin that Avada uses across most of its themes, if not all of them, most of its demos, if not all of them. And so they've already created a basic contact form for the site, and they've posted it here via code. So there is nothing to do here. In order to edit the form, you would actually need to go to the contacts option on the menu bar to change the form, and I actually would not really recommend that. I'll go over contact forms in a separate video. But so you don't need to change anything there. Contact us is fine. Create your message here. So these are just editing text. We've done that several times before. And then this checklist is very similar to the content boxes where you just click in. There'll be a basic list of information here, and all you have to do is change what you want the text to say. If you want the icons to change, then you can do that here. We've done this several times before. So there really isn't too much to do on this page. You should be able to knock this out in probably 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops if you haven't already created your slider. All right, no need to change any colors, icons, none of that. So guys, that is it. Easy peasy. So go ahead, get to it, and get your contact page done because we've got more work to do. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.